So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can log in another account in your Snapchat or how you can log in multiple accounts in your Snapchat application. So friends, first of all, open your Snapchat application and then friends, tap on your profile which is available in the top left side here, and then tap on the settings icon. After that, simply scroll down your page, and as you scroll down, here you have to tap on the last logout option. Simply tap on logout option and then tap on logout option. So guys, if you want to log into another account, then tap on switch account option. And friends, here you have to fill your login credentials and then tap on the login option, and then your account will be login. And guys, if you want to remove your previous account on Snapchat which is already saved in your device, you have to tap on the remove account option and then tap on the yes option. Your account will be removed. Or guys, if you want to log into an account which is already saved in your Snapchat, then simply log out your previous account, and then you will get to see all the account which is saved in your device. Simply you have to tap on the login option, your that account will be login. And friends, for just example, if you want to sign up a new account, then you have to tap on the sign up option, and here you can create a new account also. So friends, by following these simple steps, you can use another account in your Snapchat application. And if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video, must like and subscribe to channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.